Hey everyone, it's Adam at DirectionTrader.com. Going to make a quick video here on how to use Fibonacci while entering at whether it be support or resistance, or in our case, it's going to be some type of a trend line or channel. So let me move this over real fast, and then I'm going to blow up my larger time frame. This is just a regular 20-day, 15-minute chart, and this is the euro. Basically, what I'm going to show you here is what we got is a channel. And then we have price levels. So basically you can see we got a channel here that's forming. And basically price is just fluctuating between highs and lows of that channel. So realistically we're wanting to buy the lows of the channel and then sell at the high of the channel and vice versa. That's all we're looking to do. Channels are as easy as that. But now how do we actually get into a channel, or how do I get into a channel, I mean to say, and not have too much risk and have a high success rate. So moving forward, I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show you what other people are seeing here. A lot of individuals, though, they'll trade these channels, just like I said, highs to lows and so on and so forth. But what happens when a channel gets broke? Is it off to the races to the downside? No. In my eyes, what I'm looking for is I'll have a channel start to create a channel, okay? But as soon as, I'm obviously selling the highs and buying the lows of these channels, but if this was to, buy here, if it was to fail, come down, I have support here to turn it back around. And then most importantly, I have the most important support right there. So in this particular example, we are going to see that I have support and resistance. The original support is right here where the channels started to get drawn, and we have minor support here and here. So it's as easy as that. So if this was to, say, go up, down, and so on and so forth, and then it was to break down here, am I shorting? No. I'm just waiting for it to trade down to this level, this support, and then I'm going to take a Fibonacci long and trade it back up where? To this previous downward trend line. So let's take a look at that, a live example I did in the trading room today. I mean, literally the exact same setup happened. I'm going to show you where it happened and what I did about it. I had a trade earlier on in the day. It was pre-market, and this is just the euro. I also trade the ES, crude, gold, Russell. But this particular example was a retracement that I got +2, and I was waiting for it to actually go up to the high of the channel, and it turned around on me before it got there, and I gave up quite a bit of profit, but that's fine. I stuck to my rules. And then moving forward down to where we're actually looking for this setup, comes right in this area. So we have the trend line, the channel going up, and we have previous support all in the same area, which happens to fall right here. So what are we going to do? We're going to zoom in and see exactly what we look for. Alright, now I said I use Fibonacci's to do these. So what am I looking for? As soon as it came down and tested this trend line that was right here, which is this one right here, I'm looking for a reversal pattern. So I don't really have any reversal patterns set up here, like a double bottom or anything like that. So what do? I'm just taking the lows to the high on the micro time frame. This here happens to be a 233 tick, and I'm taking the Fibonacci pullback halfway back and trading it long. It is that easy. Now I've limited my risk by knowing exactly what I'm risking when getting into this. I know, by using my Fibonacci's, I know where I'm entering. I know how much risk I have on here, and then I know exactly where my target is. In this particular example, we'll go down here, we'll draw the fibs, low to high. The reason I'm so confident and I'm not just buying low and trying to pick a bottom to this downtrend, or this downtrend here, is because I have a lot of support down here below me, and then I just simply wait for my pattern. As soon as my pattern's set up, Right here at setup, I took my entry right in front of the 50% line. I took my profit right here at the negative 23%. Now, if you were looking to trade this back to the high of the channel, it is a fabulous way to get into this trade at a very low risk and have potential of trading this this particular low and trading it all the way back up to the high. So you were able to get in literally at the start of this whole operation, and you get all this move and not have to just guess on a bottom. So using Fibonacci's at support and resistance is a great way to limit your risk and get into a high percentage setup. So if you have any questions on how I do this, or you want to see me do this live, I trade live every single day in front of my students and my clients in a live trading room. So come and check me out at directiontrader.com, and I would be happy to work with you. Let me know if I can do anything to help. My name is Adam. Go by directiontrader.com. Have a good day.